Okay, now I'm going into the Magnus fireworks. Never have I ever with the BEIHAI tradition shells, and I've already gone in, and look at that. There's no mine with these, but it does have cross match. Very cool. Guys, you're not going to be seeing shells of this quality when now you're seeing them go to the faux ball shell, the fake ball shell, which are really cans, little mini cans or whatever. But like you'd see in a 200-gram cake or 350 maybe. But anyway, yep, these are egg-shaped, and I had to take a look, and so here we are. That one cost me 25 bucks, which is a good deal when you're considering something that really is. I can't imagine Magnus doing this. I bet they're discontinued. So we'll have to next do a demo when I get back to the lake, Labor Day. So, and we'll get to see these ladies perform. On my Samsung viewer, it looks blue here. Hopefully in real life, when I put it up, it'll be purple. And it's because I'm looking at purple through my eyes. Right there. But it looks blue on my viewer. The green still looks green, sort of. Actually looks like there's a yellow tinge to it. But just wanted to show this purple. It's an overwrap. Doesn't mean anything bad. It's just what it is. But I will speculate. Okay, this green wrap, these green shells look exactly like Made by Aliens, and I do believe I gotta think that if I remember right, that Made by Aliens was also a BEIHAI tradition shell. So I think they all went. These went and they put them in. They put them in this box, and they put them in Made by Alien. So that's my guess. Good enough.